knowledge and to start with something new. So this time we have chosen up the topic of generating and learning more from design perspective. And we are looking forward to have more information and more training sessions down the line. But this time we have chosen the topic AI. So as we all know that AI has grown to a level that everything can be done through AI. So that is why we have also transformed ourselves and our team. And I'm very glad to open the forum for my designers who are working in our design team since quite a while now. And they are sitting in Pakistan office. Welcome, everybody. And we have two guest appearances here. One is Nada and one is Rebel. And they are here to assess and to help us grow more here and to let us know the dynamics of how the Saudi market is growing and how AI has been collaborating here. But before that, I would like to, we will have these sessions soon from them. But right now, our design team, which is led by Ibad, and the rest of our designers, Wasim, Quaid, and Suhaib, have joined the session, and they'll be presenting how AI has been helping them to grow and how they have transformed their time and they save their time by using AI. And we also are waiting for Nemo, but I think he's a bit late. So I think let's not delay the session and let's start the session for the designers. Over to you, Ibad.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Can
assalam.
you please confirm? Voice is clear.
Yes, voice is clear. You can start.
Sure. So, hello everyone. My name is Ibad Ahmed, and I'm the design team lead. And I have the pleasure to introducing my talented team. So, we have two incredible animators, uh, Shoaib Hamid and Wasim Ahmed, and three skilled graphic designers, Suhaib and two girls also, Zara Fiaz and Mahmoud Bano. So before starting the presentation, I want to express my excitement through words about this initiative by Quaid Ventures, which is aimed to enhance knowledge and skills in AI tools for creative designing. So this initial will empower us to push the boundaries of creativity and deliver even more innovative and impactful designs. So I think I should start now. So first of all, I'll tell you my all the presentations. It's all about 5 premium free mockups resource websites and 5 AI tools which can help to improve our design sense. So I should start with the 5 premium free mockup resource websites because as you guys also know that mockups is very important for the design. So I should start from there. Let me tell you first about the mockups, introduction to the mockups. So, what is mockup basically? The power of mockup in design showcasing the value of the product, the value of the imagery that we are trying to show and hit our audience. So, I'll show you some of the free mockup resource websites which can help us grow. And the first one website is minimalmockups.com. So this is a premium mockup website which help us to use many minimal and more creative mockups. So I'm sharing you the preview as well. So these are some of the mockups I'm presenting right now. Some as you guys see, these are all free websites. Okay? So there is mockup of iPhone 15 Pro Max and MacBook 3 as well, and premium boxes which help us to showcases our design with better imagery. So benefits of the mockups is visualization, feedback from the client, because when we shared the design with the client, he don't know how the product will look on the table. So and it also help us to in the testing in the QA. So example of the mockup showcasing these benefits, and let me show you this. So as you guys can see this is very premium mockup, and this is fully editable, and we have all the resources of Illustrator files and Photoshop files as well. So there are five websites here. I'll show you the second one. So this website called devicemockup.com. As you can see, it's a very elegant and very creative mockup of iPhone 15 Pro Max, and usually you can't find the mockup on the free pick and these normal websites. So I'll find these websites to help us grow and showcasing our designs with more creative and more visually appealing. I'll show the second slide. And in this slide, I'm previewing display mockups, tablet mockups, and responsive mockups. And all of these mockups have all the credentials of Illustrator and Photoshop as well. And these are not just a simple mockups like you just go and drag your design here. They are also providing their own design to use them. As you guys can see, we have a display of mockups of tablets and premium computers here, and also they use a very abstract stones, which looks more creative and beautiful in the setting sense, because when we share our design to the client, as I said before, client doesn't know how the product look in the final. So we have always to present our design in the mockup. So when our mockup is more elegant and more aesthetic, the definitely design will be approved from the client, and we also know which changes should we need to do in the design. And this is a third website here, which name is mockupdesign.com. .com. These websites also provide us mockups of premium boxes, and we have a client of Sahi here. So I feel this website is very helpful for the Siahi, and we have also tracking here and track Gorex. They also have premium boxes. So we show our clients to use these premium boxes here. And this is the third preview I'm showing here, and it's all about the products of cosmetics, and you can say uh, many other products, and they also provided us their own designs here, and also they provide us a very uh, premium, if you look at these mockups, they look very premium, very aesthetically creative. So it helps us to grow in the design sense. And here I'm sharing the fifth website here, and after that I will show you the five AI tools which helps us to grow in the design sense and aesthetically. So this is the fifth website, which is free pick. You all guys know here. So sometimes you find a very good mockups of free pick, but you have to find if they are free or if they are premium. So some of them are free, and this is a fifth website here, Pixpine, and they are providing us a very creative mockups for bags and the cups, and also the, as I said before, the cosmetic and other products. So this is the preview I'm showing you. And this is so let's talk about five fair tools to improve your design. So when we designed something, I think uh, we need some resources, mockups, as I explained before, but also we need to use those mockups with the creative and with AI tools, so we can improve our speed here, and we can do design in the speed and with more creative and with the help of AI. So this is the website called remove.background. There is a lot of websites here, like Cutout Pro, but those websites are not showing us the fully results here because sometimes they have restrictions to only you have five try to use the background. But for this website remove.background, they don't have any restrictions. You just go and paste your product here, and they will within 2 or 3 seconds they will provide you the real image without the background. So this is the preview that you can see on your screens, and this is third website which I like a lot. Basically, it's a website uh, which helps you discover creative and save unique color palettes. If you are confusing for choosing a good and aesthetic color palette for your website, so you should use this website. This is AI website, and this website helps us to use perfect artistic and a lot of gradients here, and you can customize them if if you have a branding like tracking which is blue and yellow color, so you can use this website. It helps you to make a very elegant gradient, and you can customize them. So I will show you the slide. Also, this website provides us the vectors you can customize with your own branding. Also, this website is more like a Canva, I can say, but this is more creative and more aesthetic. You have the templates here of gradients. You can customize them. You have a lot of templates here of vectors, as you can see here, and I'll show you the second website. Let's enhance.io. So when the client send us the image which needs to be used in the design. So sometimes the images are very poor quality, and sometimes the images are very blur. So we can use this website, and this website also don't have any restrictions here, and you can just put and drag your image here, and in 3 or 4 seconds your image results will be more creative and more enhanced. So I'll show you the preview here as well. As you can see, the before image on the left side and the enhanced image on the right side. The third website is very important for the UI designers as well, and the website designers, developers as well. And this website is called fontry.com. This is website basically it's very powerful tool that converts images into HTML and CSS code, allowing you designs websites visually and generate the corresponding code effectively. So you can just put your design here, and they will provide you the HTML CSS code behind the UI. Okay. And this is the third slide, which is showing us edit your websites with no code editor. Also, they are showing us bullet points here, which is online website editor, clear and early design. Third website, which is Font Joy. These websites help us to improve our fonts aesthetics. When you can't find any font here for your design, definitely we have to use our branding in every post, in every social media, and the websites. But we have some leverage here because in the headings we can use some other fonts. So this website is very helpful to use those fonts here, and you can just put your design there, and this website provides you 3 to 4 options for the fonts which is going with the designs. So this website is very helpful with help of AI. And this also websites provide us font pairing made simple. So this is the tagline of the websites. This website also generate font combinations with deep learning, and also they suggest your brand to use these fonts so it will look more elegant here. This is it, and for now, I will ask Shoaib to join and present his presentation. And before that, I want all of you guys respond here if you have any questions. So let me know.
Before moving to the next presenter, let me add a few things here. I know many people are from different departments, from content, website, SEO, and they all might be thinking that this is a design presentation or a lecture. Why should we are here in this? So the thing is that when you are working in this environment, you have to be very specific or very creative regarding everything that you are sending to the client or to your team or everything. So the one thing that I see in our team that is missing is the lack of design and visual aesthetics. So whenever I see a document, it is just plain language and all the content is written, but the thing is that sometimes only text will not able to help our client to understand the concept. So you need to add something visually attractive so your ideas, your recommendations will be incorporated in that. And many website developers just rely for small changes, they rely on designers, that okay, we need to add a logo here, we need to make something different for this section, and they totally rely on the designers. Now in the world of AI, we have everything, we just need a little bit understanding how to manage these things on our own. Because one thing that everyone agrees here, that due to the cross departmental functionality in our company or our agency, the only thing where we lag is that we are not able to complete the deadlines, and mostly that is because the other person is not available to provide you something that you need for your work. So the agenda of all these meetings and all these lecture is to you have the basic knowledge of all the things, so it will not gonna affect your work things. So right now Ibad told us multiple sites where you can just go, grab something, grab a mockup and customize it according to your client. So for example, you are just making a content calendar for your client, and you are making all the content here. So you need to present your ideas as well in that, because then the client will be able to understand, okay, eventually it will become like this, so I want to go in this direction or not. Right now when you just present the client with the content, they are not sure about it what will be the final product. So please, this is very important, and if you have any queries, I know you don't want to be expert in designing or anything like that, but you should have the basic knowledge of each and everything that we are doing, because it will gonna impact you and it will gonna scale your performance to a you can say a larger extent. Because when you beautify your work, or when you show your work in a very aesthetic manner, it will gonna impact the reader or anyone who is reading your work. So that is my point. So I hope that everyone is learning from this and how to utilize in their department or in their work. Move on.
Thank you so much, sir, for all your kind words, and you explained very well. So now the same basically he is our the animator, and he will present his presentation.
Guys, can you please switch it on to slideshow? It's a button on right side, top right side, near share. If you can click on that. Yes, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Wasim Ahmed, 3D animator from Quaid Venture.
Walaikum
Hope
assalam.
you are all doing well. So today's topic is CGI. Basically, its full form is computer generated imagery. it's almost related to 2D and 3D also. My working niche is 2D and 3D. So I was decided to communicate you guys about the 3D procedure and free tools and about. Uh, Kindly give me a second. So actually, my niche was 3D animation, and I was thought to present you about free tools and all the AI tools that will help you for saving your time and for your efforts. So we can move on our slides. Uh, so the first one is. Actually, I want to told you that CGI is actually connected with different fields like film and television and animations and advertising and marketing, also video games, product designing and fashion. So in these all of industries are connected with CGI, but our field is advertising and marketing. So I decided to communicate in detail about advertising and marketing. So my first point is I want actually I want to show you a video about CGI work. So kindly for some seconds, kindly see this. Do you guys see this? In this video, there's used a 3D model, completely 3D model. It's not actual object. It's a 3D model and with the glass material used for the advertisement purpose. So we can move on the next. Okay. In that videos there was a model used in the video. Basically, my main purpose, my main object is that I want to told all about told you guys all honors and all my juniors. Basically, in advertising and marketing, we can use objects in 3D form and in 3D animation, which is more effective or cost effectively and more visually perfect. So there are some points in the video. Kindly see this video also. I have added in this video there is a 3D they're all 3D models used and no there is no physical objects are used in this video, so it's very cost effectively and uh, before in manufacturing. Guys, please give me 2 minutes. I'm so confused.
It's totally fine. You are doing great job. So, meanwhile, I am totally intrigued with this thing because in this world, CGI is taking a huge role, and every major brand is focusing on this one right now. So it is very focused, very good. But the thing is that I think so. We need to incorporate these things in our work as well because we are totally focusing on dynamic and animated style. But if we convert these things, then it will be a huge bonus point for us and for our client as well. So it's a very
Sure,
good
sir.
thing.
I was thought about this because I saw that there is a great pace of this work in the industry, and we are not working on this.
Exactly.
That's why I was presenting this type of work. Uh, so I think it's a more efficient and more cost effective and very helpful for our clients and for physical we don't need any physical things and physical all cameras and uh, actors and environment and
Yes,
so on those things.
definitely, definitely. Whenever you want to prominent in this market, you have to break the norms. You have to try something that is not traditional. And the work that we guys are focusing right now, every other marketing agency, every other client, every competitor is doing the same. So how we can be different with these kind of things? This is our thing to make our content, our work to be different than the rest of. Shidhar, you raised your hand. You want to add something?
Uh, so
Yes,
I want to move next.
yes. I wanted to ask, is this something new in the market? Because I have not
Uh,
seen this kind of thing that we are using right now in our designs, and also if this is something that is present on AI and that can be made easily, then I think we should start incorporating it into tracking also, because Neda is here and she is working in the customer support, and most of the time she requests us to make such kind of a content. And what I discussed with the managers is that we need to shoot it, but if such kind of an AI tool is present, which I was not sure, I think I'm quite old for this, but I feel like if this kind of a thing is present in the market, then we should start incorporating it into our designs.
I guess
yes, ma'am.
I guess we are not old, but the thing is that the change in the industry is doing rapidly. So we are not just following up the trends. And yes, these are very good thing for the marketing purposes. And all the big companies, either it is Gucci or any other prominent brand, they are focusing on these right now. So only thing that stop us for making these kind of video is that for tracking, for example, we just don't have the high quality imagery. But I guess we in the past few months we have showed 3D modeling for tracking devices as well. So we can try something new for tracking, definitely. And I will ask my design team that they should try something like that and present to the client. Maybe then they will be having a better idea what we are talking about, and then we can invest something on this.
Yeah, let's see what Wasim has more to show, because that
Uh,
his topic is quite interesting.
all right, ma'am. Actually, it's very. I want to say that it's very cost effective, but it's costful for our time. Basically, this video needs almost. If we are talking about this video needs almost 2 to 3 months for this kind of animation, because if we are going from scratch and working those elements, and we are in which video you can see there is a helicopter and a building and a cloth. A cloth can't need uh, too much time, but helicopter model. So I am gonna show you some shortcuts for this work. Basically, we are starting all AI tools. Actually, I was uh, doing some know-how about what is CGI working, and what is how it's connected with advertising and marketing. So now we
Wasim, I wanted to know the video that you were showing to me, and you told me that it takes 2 to 3 months. I just wanted to ask that with AI also it will take the same time, or with normal animation it will take 2 to 3 months?
with normal animation it take 2 to 3 months. I'm gonna show you in next slides how we can download them shortly, and we can download their mocks, and we can edit them according to our requirements.
Perfect, perfect.
uh, okay, all right, we are starting AI tools for advertising and marketing. So my first tool is Cryon. It's basically an image generation tool, which is user friendly and it's image generated basically tool. And basically, if I am going to this website and I'm right there that I need some UK images. So it's give me or too much images for me. You can see in the next there is almost 5 to 6 UK images. Obviously, it's a AI, so that's why it's view a girl image and uh, uh, some of C pictures and but almost in 5 to 6 images he is presenting me the UK bridge. So this website is doing. Uh, in the next, my tool is Remini. It's used for the image clarification. Most of time we face this issue that we download a picture or we receive an image from our client and it's pixelated. So we need some kind of we have to working on our Photoshop tool and other graphic tools. It's take too much high resolution and I'll download it. But there is a issue in all AI tools that I faced. All AI tools are give us limited access and limited credits. We can use them. Most tools we can use for a week, for a month. After that, we need to purchase them. Its issue is faced. I face this issue in all AI tools. All that was discussed by Ibad, and also I'm adding these tools, and also other designers are adding tools. So it's useful, but it's free for some time. It's not all AI tools are not fully free and for our whole life. But there are some tools which are half free and half paid. You hope you can understand. So in next there is runway ML video editing animation. In this, I'm just putting some text. At some time we need a video like you can see a man in forest. So sometime I need a video and I can't found it on Google. So I'm going to this website and write my text like this video. I'm write a man walking in forest. That After that this website make this video for me, and I think it's useful on some options with overlay, black overlay. I can down its opacity and it's used for my background video. So I'm gonna next. So basically, Sketchfab. It's totally free. Some of models are paid there because also 3D models are working on this website and giving their time. So that's why some of models are premium. But most of the products are free. Basically, I was talking in last slide about the helicopter and about building. So in at this website, we can simply, as you can see, if I can enlarge this image, I'm in the slide mode. Okay. If I told you about helicopter and about the building, in this website, I will simply add text in search bar building, and it will give me 100 of options about buildings, about Dubai buildings, about USA building, about UK buildings. If I want to search some kind of residential buildings, it will easily provide us. If we want to search for cars, it will give us 3D model of car with the model name as we need to use in CarSmart. So it will helpful for us in a 3D videos. Also, recently we are adding a house model, solar house model in Energize website. So I was taking that model from the Sketchfab. So this is useful for us. Uh, to the next slide, it's animation Mixamo. It's also a AI tool, and it's we can sorry. It's an also a AI tool. So in this tool, we can animate some kind of characters, some kind of objects. It's only this kind of work of this. It's very helpful for cost saving for doing proper animation from scratch. We can download from there some of animations, but not it's fully for. It's not for the objects, it's only for the characters animation. If we want some object animations, we need some other website because it's a very vast topic, and we have only 15 minutes, and that's why I'm going to show you some short points, and if we have a plan, or we have another presentation, so I will trying to discuss in detail. So thank you so much. The presentation is completed. If any guys have a question, you can ask.
Thank you, Wasim. I think the presentation was pretty clear, and we really like the new tool that you have introduced to us. Thank you. Let's move to the next one.
Okay, so now we have Shoaib Hamid here with us, which is our he's our 2D animator, and now he will present his presentation.
Hey everyone, hope you all doing well. My name is Shoaib Hamid and I am working on QV from last 2 months. So basically, come on my topic. My designation is a 2D animator in Quaid Ventures. So I pick up a topic related to my work. It's Luma AI tool. So what is our introduction of Luma? What is Luma? Luma is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to assist designer to visual aspect to their creative process. Key features: automate design suggestion, provides real-time design suggestion and enhance based on product requirements. Smarter assist management, organize and categorize design, assist effectively, make it easy and access to use. Advanced visualization, generate high quality visuals previous of design, allow to the better decision to make which type of work you want to choose. It makes your work easy and in a short time. We can use this tool in or reels or videos in reels or videos. This type of sorry this type of elements can be used in our reels or videos, and it can create your 2D object into 3D object. Some of design I will show you, like this type of design. This is a 2D object in the left side. On the right side, we use AI tool, and he create in the 3D effect of this type. So basically, smart object management, organize and categorize design assist efficiently, make it easy to access to use. 2D object convert into 3D object. By using this tool, you can essentially convert 2D object into a 3D object, like videos. It can also make your 2D video into a 3D video. We can use in our reels. Uh, and the next slide, why is Luma? Enhance creativity and productivity, reduce time spent and repetitive tasks, improve the overall quality of the design. It make 2D things into a 3D things. It can convert 2D objects into a 3D objects very quickly in a short time. It can help you in your design in short time. Basically, when we create a 3D when we create a 3D model in our reels or videos, it takes some time for rendering and for working on it, and light effects, shadows. These all things take 3 to 4 hours in one video. Basically, this tool have created in short time, like 5 to 10 minutes, and we can use in different projects. Some of our slides, benefits of Luma AI for designers. Boost creativity, leverage AI driven insight to explore new design possibility and push creative boundaries. Increase efficiency, automate mundane tasks such as assist, tagging, layout, adjustment, and colors. Matching to focus on high value creative work. Enhance collaboration. Real time collaboration tools allow to seamless communication and feedback from client or team members, ensure that everyone is one of the same page. Improve output quality. AI powered quality checks and suggests ensure that design meets the highest standard before final approval. On the next slides, we can use also a 2D image into a 3D image. Like I can use for team lead image. This is a 2D image, basically the JPG image, and we create AI tools like this. We can use this type of tools, this type of design in our different projects. This is my presentation. If anyone have a question, please tell me.
Thank you, Shoaib. The tool that you have presented is, I think I'm very old with respect to AI, because the tools that you, Ibad, and Wasim have presented are quite new. And I really like the efforts that you guys have made, the presentation. You guys have used different videos, pictures, and text in the presentation and explaining this to the entire team, because there is one thing that I would like about our design team, and I would like to explain it to everybody else, is that the boys and the girls that are in our design team right now, including Yasmin and Mimo, I am very happy with the fact that they never say no. And what I have also seen in the last 3 presentations is that they have made their efforts. They have tried to put in everything and try to explain everything in detail, which is very good. And I'm very proud that we have such kind of people in our team who are ready to accept all the challenges and who are ready to tell other people that how to learn and how to enhance their own skills. Because these 3 tools that the boys have presented right now, I think that if even me, who doesn't even know how to use any design tool, would start using it and start understanding that how these tools work, would be so efficient that I will reduce the time also, and I will reduce my dependency, and we can grow more. I mean, hats off to you guys, and I'm really proud.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And one more thing that everyone talks about, that AI is going to replace job, and I totally disagree with that. And now seeing this presentation and the knowledge of our designers, this shows that AI will gonna help us, not will gonna replace it, but we need the understanding of it and how to use in our day-to-day tasks, so it will be able to help us to do tasks efficiently. So good job.
Thank you so much for all your kind words. And inshallah, we will improve our design sense, and we will use all of these tools in our designs. Now, we have a junior resource here, and he presentation, and now he will present us.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum
I hope
assalam.
I hope you all are doing well. My name is Soeb Bhatt and I am a junior graphic designer in Quaid Ventures. Today the topic of my presentation is Cutout Pro AI tool. What is Cutout Pro? Cutout Pro is an AI provided image editing tool designed to remove background and enhance photos. Automatic background removal use AI to quickly and actually remove background for images. Batch processing allows multiple images to be edited simultaneously same time. Image enhancement improve photo quality with automatic adjustment. Color correction adjust color to remove the visual appeal of images. बेसिकली ये जो टूल है ये आपकी फ़ोटो को इन्हेंस करता है और क्या कहते हैं बैकग्राउंड को रिमूव कर सकता है. ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है और इसके अलावा इसमें ये रिमूव बैकग्राउंड फ्रॉम फोटो, फेस कटआउट, फोटो इनहेंसर, एआई वीडियो इनहेंसर, फोटो एनिमेटर. और ये जो टूल है ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग के लिए भी है, मार्केटिंग, ई कॉमर्स, फोटोग्राफी, ये भी टूल्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. खाली ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग के लिए टूल नहीं है, ई कॉमर्स वाले भी कर सकते हैं, मार्केटिंग वाले भी और फोटोग्राफी भी. ई कॉमर्स एक्सप्लेन इम्प्रूव प्रोडक्ट, फोटोग्राफी मेकिंग प्रोडक्ट्स more appealing online. Photography explains simplifies editing, allowing photographers to deliver high quality image and quickly. Marketing explain enhance product images for personal marketing materials. Thank you so much.
I guess if web developers are here, then they need to learn this software, because I multiple times I see that they are just depending on the designer to remove the background, we need to upload the products on the website. But if they just learn this software, then, or this tool, then I don't think so they need to delay their task because of this, because it is very easy to use. You just have to go to the website, you just have to put out the image, upload the image, and the background will be removed. So I guess if we learn these kind of tools, then it will gonna help us in our day-to-day task, regardless of which department we are. It will gonna help us. So thank you guys that you showed us all the tools, and I am hoping that everyone else who took this session will be able to analyze these softwares and tools and try to use it, not just gonna learn the names and forget about this, and then again coming to the designers and nagging about, please remove the background, please remove the background. So if you guys
And one,
yeah, go on.
yeah, this is a good point also. But one thing that I want to mention here, although I know that this is a formal presentation, but Suhaib is so adorable. I was only listening to the voice with which he was speaking instead of what he was speaking. I mean, he was explaining it with so much interest that I felt like my mind was not reading what he was talking. I was just listening the voice.
Okay,
So good
Shreya.
job, Suhaib.
Okay, we got it. Okay, if anyone have any question, please ask. And I want to see these tools to be utilized in the day-to-day task of each and everyone. And certainly in the next session, I will gonna ask question regarding these tools. Okay.
Sure, sir. Inshallah, we'll use all of these tools.
You guys are
then-
already using this. I am
Yes,
talking
yes.
about others. They need to present themselves, they need to understand and learn these software, so it will gonna help us to speed up our work related matters, and we don't have to rely on each and everyone for the little tasks that we can do ourselves as well. So thank you so
So
much.
are we having the two girls also presenting anything, Ibad?
No, ma'am. Only Mahanur was able. but she had to go home.
Okay,
She
okay.
will present in the next time.
Okay, sure, sure. Are there any questions? If not, then I'll sum it up. So I think yes, there are no questions. I would like to thank Miss Nada and Miss Jabel and Yasmin for joining the session. And on behalf of Nemo, this meeting is recorded and he said that he was occupied and he'll join later. So we'll show him that how his leadership has turned our design team to a level that they are now presenting internally. And also we'll start to have them presenting externally also with our all clients. So I'm glad that all these four boys have put in the efforts and they have started presenting. The next sessions, there are 2-3 tips because there are other guests who will be joining in the session. So I'm glad that we have sum it up in 1 hour. So there are a few tips that the next team needs to take it up. Like I would suggest that the presentations should be a bit short and crisp, and also there would be more videos because I really like the idea of Wasim. So in all the four presentations, there's some unique thing that they have presented. Which I would like to tell. Like in Ibad's session, the topic was very informative and was new to me, at least to me, that the content and design and the other departments can use it into their daily lives. For Wasim, I really like the idea of editing the videos and how it works. For Shoaib, the tool that he has presented is very easy to understand and he has added a lot of knowledge about the tool and about the steps that how to use it. And to Sohaib, I was not listening. I was just thinking that what he is speaking, but the tool itself is very useful for the web developers, as Zen has mentioned, and for other content managers and for other departments. So great job, guys, and looking forward to the next session.